May Lord, item number 27 and 28.
27, 28.
Yes, my lord. If possible for the week, my lord, may fix on 29, 29, my lord. Next week. Wait, Monday is holy.
Efficient matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you seeking
I
adjournment?
have to file reply, my lord.
2 weeks time.
1 week time.
Reply against whom?
Reply against affidavit, additional affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 5.
Private respondent. Private respondent. They have been
Yes.
informed
Yes.
on the prayer of PAG council. Just after a week to enable filing of rejoinder.
May it please your
27, 28. Obliged. 27 and 28.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention 3 analogous items that may come up on Friday, Lordship. Pending bills, government bills. So it is pending long.
Case of which year?
2023.
When was it last?
Last, it came up on in the month of June, Lordship. So may kindly be allowed.
your lord.
Yes, please, your lordship. Item number 41, your lordship.
41.
41. I was supposed to submit affidavit in opposition on behalf of the department. Lordship, I am receiving the vetting today. I'll be able to file tomorrow.
Inform the other
I've
side.
informed the other
1
side.
week.
1 week, your lordship.
I'm appearing for it.
Your lordship,
On the
I wish
prayer of
to mention a matter through VC. Am I audible, your lordship?
We are hearing some just after a while. On the prayer of three Rajput,
Cooperation.
Standing Council, Cooperation Fund. Matter is adjourned by a week to enable filing of affidavit in. Is there any interim order?
No, there is.
Yes.
Obliged.
May it please, my lord. My lord, item number 26, my lord. Respondent railways have filed their affidavit, my lord. We need to file its reply, my lord. In 3 weeks' time may be granted, my lord. We have taken their consent.
26.
26.
Your name?
H. Holodi.
For each of on the prayer of three, each of three. Present counsel for the petitioner. Matter is adjourned by 2 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks to enable filing of rejoinder affidavit.
Obliged.
Yeah, please. First, with the consent of other side,
Same matter.
No, no, ma'am.
With
With the consent of the other side, item number 15.
1-5.
1-5. Well, I'm praying for an accommodation on behalf of Mr. P.K. Tiwari, Senior Counsel. If not inconvenient, Lordship will take up this matter on 28 November, my lord.
18 matter.
18 matter, my lord. I understood.
Other side is informed.
My lord, yes, my lord. I have taken their consent, my lord.
We fix the date 18 matter.
28 November, my lord.
A prayer
That
for
is-
accommodation has been made on behalf of your Senior Counsel for the petition. Considering that matter, a short accommodation is granted. Directing listing of the matter on
28, my lord. It's a Tuesday.
2/8.
Highly appreciated. Highly appreciated.
fine.
18
can be taken
matter.
up.
18 matter.
My lord.
Yeah, please.
Hello.
First, with the consent of other side, item number 24.
24.
First, we have to file affidavit in opposition, Lordship. The reply has been sent to waiting, Lordship. It has not.
Here for the railways.
Lordship.
I'm for the petition.
On the prayer made on behalf of the railways, respondent railways, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of affidavit of
Interim is there.
interim order passed at 10 the next year.
May this is your lord. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12.
12.
Lordship, may kindly allow us to withdraw the petition
Want
with
to withdraw?
liberty to file a fresh.
Are you on record? What's
Yes.
your name?
MSN.
MSN. MSN Learned Counsel for the petitioner submit that there is instructions to withdraw the petition. However, however, seeking for a liberty to file a also heard revenue and PWD, anyone? Revenue PWD. PM Learned Counsel present for PWD, Sri S. Purva, that is State Council, comma, PM Bhuya, that is Standing Council, PWD, Learned Council, PWD, and Revenue. Normally, who appears, Mr. Purva? PR Mahanta. MS PR Mahanta. Standing Council, Revenue, are present. Sarah, according to monitor with report, yes, please. Yes.
Thank you, Your Lordship. My Lord, as regard item number 1, Lordship, we file our rejoinder, Lordship, which needs some time. My learned friend also.
I think what? Similar friend.
So,
You have filed your agenda.
We are in the process of filing, Lordship.
process of
Give us-
filing, Lordship.
grant us 2 weeks.
But
Fine,
wait, matter has been adjourned. It's been adjourned.
Next,
Why haven't you filed your agenda?
Lordship, will within day or two, Lordship, will file.
Yes. On the prayer, petitioner, matter is adjourned by a week to enable filing of agenda effort.
Lordship,
Into the order pass. How do you extend the nature of
naturalized. Supposed to file by.
Item 1 to
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention
this will
for
be in
listing.
item numbers 1, 2, and 3.
Lordship,
Item number 3, Lordship, we are not with the affidavit, Lordship.
They are yet to file. They have not filed. They'll file.
Opposite side, Lordship.
not filed yet, ma'am.
You file to file if it's want to. Have you filed or not? You have not filed.
Not filed.
They have not filed.
Only in item 1 and 2 we have
No
filed.
question of receiving until they file. You know, if they do not want to file, you take advantage of
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing at WPC
which year,
of 23, my Lord.
at what stage,
It was admission in orders. In orders.
when was it last listed?
It was listed on 25/9/23.
Matter, what is subject matter?
But at cooperative society.
Sub-
Cooperative
matter.
society. The subject matter was that the license of the cooperative society was cancelled because of some.
License of cooperation, what license? PTS license.
Yes, madam. That was cancelled due to some mistake of the earlier
Okay,
person who was.
we'll have it on by the next.
Okay.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention for item number 17 and 18 of the daily list. Lordship, the Arjun Council is appearing to VC in a different high court. Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation in the matter.
You know, opposing this request.
17 and 18, okay. Yes, what is this?
This is a matter with regard to the Competition Commission of India, where an investigation has been stayed against the petitioner.
You are for the respondent.
I'm for the commission. So I'm opposing this. At the very least, there's a stay that's operating that should be vacated. And
We'll have some other day
Yes,
immediately.
Your Lordship, short date may
multiple
be
dates
fixed.
have already been given on.
Understood.
But the
There's some personal difficulty. Day after tomorrow?
But short date.
Very well.
Day
Yeah.
after tomorrow. A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Dr. Isara,
Yes, sir.
Senior Counsel for the petition. However, what is your name?
NN Datta, Your
No, your name.
Siddharth, Dupatta.
Your name is not there.
Is there on?
However, the state prayer is being posed by Sri Das, Senate Counsel for the Competition Commission, who has also submitted that there is an interim order operating. Considering the above, a short motion is granted. Directly listing of this matter on Wednesday. After
Your
tomorrow.
23rd, Your Honor. Consider 23rd. 23rd.
Thursday. This matter is for admission. Thursday is the hearing date.
Very well.
Thursday take a part. Then let's get 24th.
24th.
24th. Instead of the 24th.
Your Lordship will be till
So 22nd, Your Honor.
22nd after
Keep the place.
public. Your Lordship, the interim orders.
there are interim order passed. Continue to the next set of. This will be in 17 and 18.
Yes, Your Lordship.
When-
Highly authorized.
The last-
2009 matter, my lord, requisition compensation has not given. Recently in October, government filed affidavit in opposition. Subject to lordship confidence.
2009 writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
21.
My lord, 23rd, my lord.
When
Thank you, Your Lordship. Your Lordships, I'm seeking to mention a writ petition we filed today morning. The filing number is 14148 of 2023. I'm seeking a listing for tomorrow. The urgency is that this is an eviction matter, Your Lordships. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has basically issued a communication to all of my
Okay,
clients.
you want for unlisted motion tomorrow.
Yeah,
Tomorrow. Okay,
yes,
we'll have,
yes, Your Lordships.
have it.
Thank you, Lordship. Thank you. Much obliged, Your Lordships.
Who will give the memo?
My colleague in the court has most likely already handed the memo to the
Okay, okay. Yes.
obliged, Your Lordships.
Item 4. Who's there?
May it please your lordship, my lord, through VC, sorry, my lord. My lord, I'm for the petitioner, and this is
Yes, you're a local
matter.
council. Why VC? Madam?
Yeah,
Is it
my lord,
is
I'm
this
not in
purpose of VC to have a local council? Why don't you appear in the
I'm not in Guwahati, my lord.
you have become an association council?
And there was a
Okay.
not really, my lord. I'm still an in-station council. I did actually. I thought that I'll take an adjournment and
No,
appear
okay,
physically.
okay.
That, but then two
Okay,
other
what,
previous
what,
occasions also I have taken time.
what is the matter about?
My lord, the biological parents of the minor girl,
Yes,
my lord,
we have had this
had
matter in the chambers once. Do you remember? What has
yes,
happened?
yes. Now, my lord, the minor girl continues to be with the this SOS village organization,
Yes.
and I'm still struggling to get my get the child back. And in the meantime, this honorable court had also said that okay, since the child is there, let the aunt and the uncle go and meet, and thereafter we will decide in the next on the next day. Now, so far as I do not know the SOS village, my lord, in spite of her maternal aunt going to meet her, they have been very inimical to this. They do not allow them to meet, and they ensure that they do not meet her alone. Only once they allowed after this honorable court
Anyone appearing
entertained
for
the
the
matter.
SOS?
My
Who is
lord,
appearing for the SOS? Madam? Has anybody appeared for the SOS or notice has gone? No. It is still in the motion stage, madam.
Yes, they appeared. They have. Yes, it's still in the motion. Say the SOS had appeared. My lord, this honorable court had given notice. They came with a child. My lord, only one question that I raise in this, my lord, that she is my family. I am her family. Now, who is SOS to take over custody? This is not a husband-wife
We'll do one
custody
thing,
that is being found.
madam. We'll do one thing. We'll issue notice. Let a formal notice be there. Let the response be filed in this court. Then we'll because we have seen the child and we have seen her reaction also. She wasn't too unhappy to go with the that mother who was looking after.
I understand.
But
She's a
we
very
also
small child.
appreciate your anxiety and your as a maternal aunt. We'll issue notice.
And does this service if this honorable court allows?
Okay, heard. Miss B.S. Goyal, turn it down for petition. Under very exceptional circumstances, the present writ petition has been filed. In a tragic accident, involving attack by an elephant at Udalguri, an entire family. The members of a family were killed, and only their 7-year-old daughter, namely Nizbora and Boro, had survived. The matter was looked into by the authorities, and the child was taken into custody by the SOS village, SOS Children's Village at Porcher. The petitioner claims to be maternal aunt of the child, and is and has approved this court for handing over the child to her, as in that point of time could not be present. Sarah, this court had directed. This court by order ordered in 8/2/2023 had directed for an in-camera proceeding of the matter, which was accordingly held on 13/2/2023, when the child in question was produced. The child, however, seemed to be happy and contented with her present stay in the SOS village, and she was also accompanied, amongst others, by the house mother. Under those circumstances, this court had directed that for the time being, the child can remain in the SOS village. However, the petitioner can visit the child as and when required. That MS Goyal, the learned counsel for the petition, has however that the endeavor of the petitioner to meet her needs is not does not is being resisted by the authorities of the SOS village. That notice be issued, returnable on. Will give a date, madam.
As this honorable court may deem fit. 2 weeks.
We'll have it on 15th of December. 15th December. 15th of as Burwa, State Council accepts notice on behalf of
1356.
1 and 2.
1,
Who
2,
is
3.
Who is 2? Madam, who is 2?
2 is the commissioner and secretary.
Of what?
Social. It should have been social welfare department.
No,
Nothing.
1, 3. 1 and 3. 1, 3, 5, and 6.
And so far as 4
That
is
extra
concerned, I think
that copy is
that's
out
the
upon him
service.
by tomorrow. That step taken for service of notice upon the response for by registered post PTD. The learned council also placed for service by the state. That such permission is granted, and the notice is required to be routed through the registry of this court, and in the same notice, the next date fixed, that is 15/12/2023.
My lord, can
It
it
should
be
be clearly
14th, my lord?
14th Thursday.
Can it,
It should be
can
clearly
it be 14?
not for the 13th.
Okay. Again,
14th is a
13th,
Thursday.
yes.
Thursday we are not.
13,
15th or 13th, yes, 13th.
13. 13.
Put the next date, petitioner is required to file an affidavit in proof of such a.
My lord, if I may
It
just
also
point out
appears,
one.
it appears that the respondent has been added in an incomplete.
I'll make that correction, my lord. My lord,
Doesn't
if I-
require respondent 3 is there.
3 is there, yes. My lord, one thing, one point, if I may point out, in
Yes.
the first part of the order, this honorable court has mentioned that have handed over the child to the SOS. I did not hand over; they took over. If that
No, you
correction
did
may
not.
be
We
made
did not
instead
say
of
that you
handing
have
over.
handed over. We have not said that you have
Okay,
handed over. We
my
said
lord,
that you came into the scene later.
I'm grateful, my lord. I'm grateful.
May I presume, my lord, in this case, my instruction was called for, my lord. My lord, case of the petitioner is that, my lord, his father's name was struck off from the Jamabandi without their knowledge, and the record also shows that the registered number of the sale deed is not mentioned in the Jamabandi, by which the respondent has claimed to have purchased the said land. So we made an RTI, but no reply has come, my lord, and they have given a vague reply. So instruction was called for in this case.
Your response is only on the information.
Yes, my lord, we only want that on the what basis our father's name has been struck off from the Jamamandi.
Who are the respondents?
And the respondents are, my lord,
Where is
these are
the
the legal
commission?
heirs of Lakshmi, my lord.
Where is the commission?
My lord, my
Where
lord,
is the information commission?
information. That your lordship will find that annexure.
No, where? In the respondents.
No, my lord. But here,
If your grievance is against the commission of not furnishing you the information, they are the affected part. In this situation, we are not going into the legality of the action. We are only on a very limited scope that whether you have been given furnished with the information with regard to the change or deletion of the name. We are not going to legality and validity how the name was deleted.
but,
You make the commissioner part file an IA. The I chose the Senate Council for raise for and is granted 2 weeks time to file necessary application for improvement of the information. Where is the annexure?
my lord, annexure 4, my lord.
Page 20.
Page 20. My lord, the reply was not given by the circle. Actually, it was the circle officer who is not giving the reply. We filed the RTI petition in annexure 3, my lord. The information which was sought by us was not given to us.
Take the comment. Respondent 3 otherwise is there.
Yes, ma'am.
They will take it.
Excellent. May it please, your lord.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner have filed 3 applications before the authorities, my lord. More so, my lord, FIR, disclosing cognizable offense, my lord. On last occasion, my lord, instructions were called for in regard to, my lord, inaction of the authorities, my lord.
He has not even been registered.
Not registered.
Yes. Number
Not it.
I haven't got, but such cases he has other remedies.
No, it has not been registered. At
Not
all.
even registered.
Take the information.
Yes,
If it's
I-
registered, we'll close this.
Yes.
We are on a very limited scope.
Next week.
The grievance of the petitioner is non-registration of an FIR on third, wherein allegations of cognizable offense has been made
up.
So the scope of interference by writ court is restricted, comma, B. As per the Senate Council, State Council, direct, this court, by order that I made a direct the London State Council to obtain instruction with regard whether there was a disputed of the offense of the allegation constitute a cognizable offense. PS State Council to appear this and it grant order to time to obstruct fix the date.
Yes,
This,
sir.
there are this not. We'll have it on 6th of December.
My lord.
6th December is okay.
Okay, sir. I will-
You have got stock of
Deeply obliged.
This is the matter relating to the forest official. They have even dared to break the house, demolish the house of the petitioner, which they belong
your
to BPL
equipped
family.
structure.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Council D. Gogoi. He actually had the instructions, but due to some unforeseen difficulty, he won't be able to appear today. Maybe
Day after tomorrow.
yes, Lord.
11th day of tomorrow. This court has informed that he and his planning council for is having some personal difficulty and therefore appear for a comment. This promotion.
My Lord, my case is entirely different matter.
Which one?
Item number 8, my
We are only on 7.
That
8 is connected.
yes, my but entirely different.
Wednesday we have on Wednesday.
My Lord, pardon, my Lord. Wednesday I can't be there. My father has died, so on Wednesday, 40 days will be. we have-
Whenever you say Friday, is it
After
okay?
23,
Madam?
Demolish the house. They are from BPL family.
Understood, but it's already been demolished. Accommodate your friend. It's not worth the percentage. Next Monday, is it okay for you? Next Monday?
after 23, any date, my
After 20, the date after date.
Particular date.
As the restaurant and accounts for I however, after 2 weeks, after a week,
after
as agreed to by the party. And talk, but these matters for on 23rd.
the 23rd is the program, my Lord.
No, whenever you say
My Lord,
29,
29, my
29, madam, 29, 29.
Fabulous, Lordship. Lordship, this case relates, Lordship, to illegally sealed of a timber shop, Lordship. I am a licensed holder timber shop, Lordship. Lordship, without any reason, Lordship, the reason is something different, Lordship, which is not connected to their forest, Lordship. But my shop has been sealed, Lordship, without giving any opportunity, Lordship. And many stock matters is there, Lordship, that is going to be damaged, Lordship, divided, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, on the last occasion, we placed some materials on record.
You file an affidavit to issue notice. There are allegations against.
Lordship, this is illegal. Lordship, the allegation, Lordship, I have given answer in the here, Lordship. Only one private person, Lordship, his private on log, Lordship. Lordship, kindly may have placed 22, Lordship. This is
So,
the
you have installed a 32-inch fan saw unit instead of a 10-inch timber staging monitor.
that is the wrong statement.
And you have not given any documentary proof regarding the source of timber.
That is of the wrong statement. Lordship, my
You have to. That's your affidavit.
Lordship, that is correct. Lordship, only Lordship, my humble prayer, Lordship, is this Lordship, whatever the stock materials is there, Lordship, that may be, Lordship, I may be take care, Lordship, in my shop, Lordship. Many matters there is not connected, Lordship. There are the other matters, Lordship, Lordship.
But you have got what?
Some many matters, Lordship, my other timber, Lordship, which I purchased, Lordship. So, Lordship, because of the sealing of my shop,
No,
Lordship.
it is the perishable good.
Lordship.
It is something perishable.
Right.
Will it be destroyed? Will it be damaged? Will it
Yes,
perish?
yes, going to demolish.
Timber will be perished
Yes, Lordship. They are
within 1 week, 2 weeks.
no, now already 2-3 months gone, Lordship.
timber, what is the longevity
Well,
of a
their
timber?
lordship, the why the newly parcel lordship, they are in the waiting lordship, their wait. So lordship without sunlight lordship, that may be damaged lordship. And lordship, if there is no any offense lordship in the forest lordship,
We are not in a hurry. Sir. Let him come with the instructions. Timber is not something which will perish.
and lordship, if they found in any something is in the
Let
machine
us have
lordship,
the affidavit.
this is machine lordship, but where is the connected with the shop lordship? Shop cannot be sealed lordship.
Machine is in the shop, isn't it?
No, shop, machine is a different place lordship, in the outside of the shop.
It does not belong to you.
No,
It is not
machine
connected
is
with
mine.
the shop.
Machine is mine, lordship, but there is one of the material, one of the equipment, lordship. It was situated in the outside of my shop, lordship.
Your
I'm hawk, lordship. Sorry.
yes, council for the petition. The right is the petition that is the owner of a shop named Clive Timber Shop. It will unsecured that right in the company having valid license. The response of the petition is seizure of the timber called sizing machine.
Sizing
Sizing.
machine. Yes.
Timber sizing machine on 4/8/2020. The petitioner has also alleged that the shop has been sealed. That free shop was found separate for the forest but submitted on last of comma the preliminary instruction furnished the learned counsel for the department has been based on record as per which comma the petitioner was found to have installed a 32-inch band saw unit instead of a 10-inch timber size motorized band saw. It also submitted that no documentary proof regarding source of timber was produced. Well, that notice be issued return on the 13th of December. The Board of Senate Council accept notice therefore all the responsibility that is stuck of the on him. Right. Plus,
May it please the Lord. This writ petition arises out of the order passed by the Assam Board of Revenue that you will also find at page 120.
you are the appellant.
Yes, my lord.
Yep.
My lord, this is as regards the settlement of a killing surplus land. But there was an agreement that was made with the petitioner herein. Way back in 75, 88 my lord, 75 position was given, 88 my lord, the agreement, such agreement was there. My lord. And my lord, he was forcefully my lord, evicted in 2015 my lord. We have all the documents to show that he was in possession, my lord, electricity bills, GMC receipts and all. My lord, what has been done, my lord, based on, there are two reports, my lord.
Which are they are to be who is aggrieved by a judgment where it was the comfort in case number 7 R A within A bracket dash 1 by impugned judgment, comma, he ordered it 5,000 passed by the approved metro Guwahati has been upheld. Para that notice return by 4 weeks. That as go to Alana State Council, except from express
1, 2, 3.
Whereas MS Porto Senate Standing Council Deputy Access express number 5 and that extra copy. Except for service of 1,
4, 5, 9.
4 and 5 basic. Dubey isn't the writ petition. Where is the author as a respondent? It's not an appeal. It's not an appeal.
This is
Where is ABR?
but he has contested because private.
Where is ABR? Not an appeal.
But it,
26 petition, you have to make the authority apart.
it's an adjudicating authority, my lord.
Adjudicating to whichever authority. We are adjudicating a writ.
But it, other cases, my lord, subject to, my lord.
There is no argument here. There is no scope of argument. Let it be an appellate authority. We are acting as an appellate authority in terms of a statute. There is no question of making part. Here you are questioning the judicial review. You know, assessing appellate authority. So this might have a problem tomorrow.
The liberty may be given, my lord.
Why we are not?
My lord.
But more. This,
May it please your lordship. My lord, respondent bank issued shell notice, lordship. Lordship, prior to that, lordship, there was compromise between the parties, his petitioner as well as the respondent bank, before the Honorable Debt Recovery Tribunal, that the petitioner will deposit a sum of ₹8 lakhs and the vehicle in question will be released to the petitioner, lordship. Subsequently, lordship, is respondent.
Did he approach?
Lord, that instruction I do not have, but lordship will find at page
His
20.
entire case that in terms of the compromise.
No, my lord, there was no compromise. Never at any stage there was any compromise. Lordship will kindly have page 23. That is the final order passed by the DRT, my lord. 23, my lord, which he himself has annexed, annexure 6. If your lordship comes down to the operative part order, in the result, the present original application number so and so is allowed with cost and under. Now at heading number 4, my lord, this is the vehicle in question, my lord. The charge of the certificated amount be kept alive on hypothecated vehicles, that is Toyota Fortuner so and so bearing this number so and so. As mentioned in the schedule C of the OA, till the amount is realized in full. So, my lord, this is the final order of the DRT. Whatever orders were there, they are now done. I will need detailed instruction on this, but my instruction as of today is that pursuant to the sale notice, the vehicle has been sold, sale certificate has been issued, delivery has been handed over to the purchase. So I need to place those facts on active.
Lordship,
Where is the compromise?
Lordship, page 15, Lordship,
1-5.
1-5, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordships, here this last paragraph. With the consent of both the parties, I am hereby directing the defendants to deposit the total value of the vehicle amounting to rupees 8 lakhs, out of which rupees 3 lakhs shall be
Mr.
deposited.
Sharma, you are reading an order of 2021.
Yes.
Thereafter, the DRT has passed orders 11/5/2023. How do you rely upon an order of 2021 when subsequently much development has taken place and you are saying the amount is 8 lakhs, the amount has gone up to 78 lakhs?
Lordship, even as of today, the outstanding is more than 30 lakhs. That's my after sale of
When
many.
did you notice that
Lordship will
Yard Sharma Learned Counsel for petition? Case of the petition. No. The Yard Sharma submit that pertaining to the proceeding before the DRT in OA 328 of 8 in respect of a vehicle named Toyota Fortuner hearing number AS01 Bombay 477, there was a compromise for release of the vehicle on payment of amount of 8 lakhs, and in spite of the approach and the offer made of the vehicle that per contract the company appeared behalf bank as as a that procurement made that is not factual, but the meantime there has many different there has been substantial development, and therefore there may not be all the way that the order derived by the of the year 2020, and thereafter come subsequent orders of which has been annexed in the that which show that there was no such company. It further submits that in the mean in terms of orders of the DRT, vehicle has been sold and possession thereof has been handed over successful bidder in auction. Bidder makes market returnable. Yeah, for all.
I'm for all.
What about 4? For 4.
Yes, for all. Is
For it-
my
Your for all that extra copy. Right.
Hello. Right.
May please, Lordship, matter related for boundary demarcation of land matter. Petitioner is the legally heir, my lord, son of late Manoranjan Devnath. He filed the representation before the circle officer, Mayong, my lord, praying for demarcation of the land and
Demarcation public services comes on the check. File with
My lord, and also, my lord, his grievance, my lord, without any, my lord, registration of the land, that land,
everything can be taken
my
care
lord,
of.
that land was CITA mutated, my lord, without any visiting the land mandal and without the demarcation
Under
of the
2012 Act, everything can be taken care of. There is an office memorandum of subsequent date of
Annexure 5, my lord, page 25, 27, that may be disposed of the direction to.
we not allow direct disposal. You can be taken as an application.
My application has been given to the circle officer on my lord 27/6/2023, but that was not.
He is not also heard. MS as purple as well. MS Stanford. Petitioner received by connection part of market about his that he is co-possessor sort of 10 measure 7 on success. Along with which are Nyadi Patal along with certain external and along with some adjoining external and measure on the on success and also Saudi Patal then of 1 standard under revenue case number 2 Bangalpur over under Mayong revenue service. Case they have inherited state from his father state Anuradha Dev along with his mother and other brothers. Is the private response have a community typically on the state sort of land without following due process and according to the has been obstructed to enter the land interest. So, the petitioner also came to by representing which has not been acted upon. Both MS Barua, that is found, and MS Porto, that found, but have raised raised a preliminary of on tentative of sub that sub would come the MP of the Assam right of the
OM dated 21st
court has also noted that person tax common an office memorandum between player has also notified which not only covered in question but also is the prosecuted step for of demarcation certificate put up. Consider the afforded tax for the that when under this court has also been informed that a number of matters of this nature have disposed of by direct concerned parties to approach the appropriate authority. That in view of the appropriate tax circumstances disposed by direct to approach jurisdictional of the third act of well by some prescribed and on receipt thereof the same shall considered according to law. And time yeah.
Deeper. It is a lot.
Yes.
In this case, the petition is filed underground. So the Honorable Insurance Ombudsman, while passing the award dated 24/7/2000, has excessive jurisdiction not vested in him.
What is the
But this is a case where the respondent here.
now what is the exercise of jurisdiction?
Also, I'll pass on a copy of the insurance ombudsman.
That is not a part of the
This file is not part of this book.
it is not it is not a
No,
valid.
and the parliament lordship, based on this only, but the rules is I did not annex.
No, no, not no, where is the order of the but
It's lordship.
what is the access?
Access lordship, what has happened lordship? I'll just maybe allow 2 minutes to describe, then it will become clear.
No, just you are not going to detail. Just
No.
tell us what is the access.
Is
What
there
has it
lordship, when a lordship claim is filed by the year, that's a claim. A claim is allowed this, in this case, the insurance company immediately going for a total loss. This is a case of total loss. We are paying a total loss. Lordship, for a complaint to lie before the insurance ombudsman, there has to be a written representation in Rule 14. Written representation to the insurer that I am not happy with your settlement. I have repudiated my claim. And there are 3 grounds on which the representation must be made to the insurer. And that if that reply to the insurer, that representation not received within 1 month, then only he can approve. The word is like that, no complaint shall lie. I'll just read out the year.
In this case, the conditions precedents were not there.
The written representation was not there. There's no question repudiation.
Lordship, what happened in this case? The
Well, you should notice at this stage.
Yes, Lord.
But did you file representation?
Lordship, that representation was not there because before that representation, before communicating anything, they decided to sell the vehicle and they called for the bid. And thereafter finding no other, they called for the bid and last date of the bid was 12. And they have annexed one letter that was not received by me. That is on 19/6/2020.
Our custom turn it off for the who has held it and award dated 2020 passed by the insurance ombudsman in an insurance in a claim made by private Senate Council submit that impute order suffers from jurisdictional error as for exercising such powers were absent. Sarah. The effort has however been by the Hassan Mahmud an account who has already attested for this. Number two.
Yes.
That by what is the now present stage?
Lordship, there is another petition that is filed by us, wherein we have asked for a direction to the IRDA to act upon the judgment of the insurance compulsion. That is,
No, that is okay. We have to, but what is present stage?
Present
Okay,
state lordship, we
By-
have
by
paid,
6 weeks.
this may be state lordship, the
Three.
order may be state.
Lordship, I have to objection to that. Because
No,
that
since the
regular-
order, the other thing is pending, we'll have this tagged along with that.
Yes, lordship, that is a
That
WPC number 5764/2020.
6 weeks. Three, Ramudi has already entered a bid for the that step taken for service of notice on the registered step that would have been informed that the responsible has already approved by way of WPC
5764/2023.
for implementation of order of alternate over that this case along with
Oblige.
The contractor, my lord. In respect of contract works, my lord, we approach this honorable court because non-payment of the bills, my lord. Then this honorable court referred the matter to dispute review board.
to the
Dispute review board, as per the contract. So the dispute review,
there was an alternative put up.
yes, my lord. And dispute review board has considered the matter, my lord, because it was constituted by chief engineer, and that has passed the order on 5/8/17.
5/8/17.
17.
The matter of 2018.
Yes, my lord.
Then
And since then, my lord, they are not paying the amount. As per the contract, my lord, within 28 days, my lord, they have to prefer the matter to arbitration. Any party agree by it. Nobody
the
has preferred to
dispute review board had passed an order in your favor.
my lord.
That has not
Some claim has been rejected, but some has been passed.
You are not aggrieved by that board
No,
resolution.
nobody has
You only want that the board order should be implemented.
implemented.
Yes, why?
I don't know, my lord. Last 6.5 years,
Education. Name, do not.
PWD, my lord.
That's the education.
Education is there.
PWD education. Mr. Gogoi, PWD is also there.
PWD mainly, my lord.
You have the instructions. We'll have this on Wednesday or Friday, subject to the convenience of travel. Your names are not shown.
Well.
I heard yes, I heard in a council. Submit the petition for this the implementation of an order passed by the dispute review board way back on
Highway
5/8 submit that dispute is it regard
Non-payment of
contractual non-payment contractual and on the earlier and in the earlier round of the case, this court had admitted this matter. The dispute review board, which accordingly had adjudicated the dispute and passed the order, is that it, however, this court has, however, that SPPW has not passed. Nonetheless, we could set is best and this on in this according to directed on Friday
On first of
on first of but not this Friday, next Friday.
Next.
On 1st of the SC period LM SC2 reflect. You also inform your colleague here. Nineteen twenty. Final.
Yes, well, our role is very limited. First case is regarding non-payment of current salary and arrear salary.
Regarding
Current salary and arrear salary.
Of
As preferred. Working in under the CCM Pakistan.
High Court for their hearing.
Name otherwise
Name reflected or
reflect. The second case, C has been released from service. So that order has been put.
yes, where are you? Matters are taken up. Looking here and there.
This similar matter has already been disposed of by this honorable court lordship, and I have applied for the copy lordship. That copy is not available with me lordship.
When was it disposed of?
Lordship, that similar matter is 308 of 2022 lordship.
When was it?
It was disposed of on 24/8/2023 lordship.
24/8.
24/8/2023.
You have not got the copy.
Lordship, I have obtained the copy from the internet only, from the website.
Why not certified copy? Okay, let's see that. Doesn't matter. Have you applied for certified copy? You have not
Yes,
applied.
lordship.
If it is on net, where is the question of not getting? Have you seen this? Is it similar?
He is also an debt for employee lordship. He was
That part will have to see.
Now we noticed this court has
Yes,
asked this
lordship
order.
has-
If, furnish a copy of this. We will have this on when? Next Monday or next Friday.
Right.
We best go to the council for the petition of submit. That a similar matter. WPC 308 of 2020 has been disposed of on 24/8/2020. That is aspect be examined by Internet Council for the respondent. And the matter will be for consideration on Friday.
Lord,
You informed the standing council of High Court?
Yes.
much obliged.
Right. What is the other matter?
Other matter, the petitioner has been released from service.
That release will not be covered here.
Yes,
Is
that will be a separate one.
Release we may examine whether it is proper or not. First, that the passport case may cover the pay for salary
Salary,
till the period he had worked.
Work.
But release we have to make out a case.
Second case may be discussed after 4 weeks. That's it. Let the respondents respond.
Can pass.
First,
Right. Just point it out. Point.
Please, lordship.
Yes. Oi.
Please, your lord.
Yes.
Lordship, his senior, Mr. A. Sharma, is having some personal difficulty today. So, lordship, the matter.
Why was this matter big today for disposal?
This is matter, there is a demarcation, my lord, by the circle officer. The notice was issued, but the All India, they didn't cooperate. So we are before the court.
We have it some other, but we are not going to adjourn it for a long period. maybe day after tomorrow.
Yes, Lord.
Do this matter, do this court filed order that 29 had made an observation that matter taken up for final. A prayer for adjournment is on behalf of respondent lawyer. Considering this case on Wednesday, day after tomorrow.
Obliged, Lord.
May I please?
The order.
Last order passed on 10/5/2023.
Yes. It is fine.
So respondent number 12, kindly allow us some time to file affidavit in opposition.
For respondent number 1 and 2, we are paying for some time.
None of you have filed.
Okay.
And what for the state? The borough? Finance is also there. We run a council for the respondent. 3 or 4. And are granted 3 weeks time. File the affidavit. List
My
of
lord,
the-
their names should be reflected, my lord, who had filed their case. Representing what, who is the
Is there possible?
Name is there also.
There is possible. List of- What is the subject matter about?
extremist killing, my lord.
you
My
are
son has been killed, my lord.
seeking compensation.
Seeking compensation and as well as insurance also there. He is working under Coastal Project Limited, my lord.
Under?
Coastal Project Limited, a company, my lord, at Tripura, my lord. There is also a notification from the central government regarding the compensation.
But are you denying killing anyone?
Something different. Already the police report and the postmortem report, everything is missing. About this act not taken as regard the
Missing? What? You filed a
We have submitted all the documents before the IO, my lord. And my lord, the Coastal Projects Limited had intimated us, my lord.
Yeah, how was he killed?
He was traveling in a border roads vehicle, my lord.
Yeah.
Then killed by the extremists, fire injury, bullet injury.
Bullet injury?
Right. All the reports we have annexed, my lord. Medical also, postmortem report, all that.
This matter we take.
And his dead body was sent to the Bothalangsu police station, my lord, nearest police station. We have received the dead body from there.
This matter with urgency.
My lord, at least 3 weeks to be given.
3 weeks they have granted.
Yes.
But they don't delay. 2022 matter.
My lord, because the scheme says something different.
No, it's okay. We are not saying that either. We have not adjudicated, but we want to adjudicate.
Yes. Obliged.
May paying for a fee there.
3 weeks.
Okay.
Come to the
Obliged.
Obliged.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I appear on behalf of Mr. J.U. Ahmed. Lordship, the respondents were supposed to file affidavit or personal appearance was fought for. It's ordered the 17th.
Yes, affidavit file. Who? Has the affidavit filed?
Lordship?
Has the affidavit been filed?
No, Lordship, I need
No.
standing record.
In fact, they have a standing counsel. RM Das is appearing for it. Already we have intimated, and as per the already there is an instruction which has been served to the government prior to.
No, we are
last order.
Mr. Borough, we are concerned with the last order.
Yes, last order.
1710. Director has to remain personally in case the affidavit is not filed.
In fact, they have a separate standing counsel now.
Call him.
RM Das.
Call him. Director will come at 4 o'clock.
We have tried.
Or we'll issue warrant.
Yes. So, Lordship, let it be taken up at 2. Let us again.
No, we call him now.
RM, sir.
Call him now.
after some time.
Be present. Was the last order passed in his presence?
Because J. Hendrik was there. J. Hendrik was there, and that part, the positive also doesn't reflect that name. Maybe that might be the reason, but already we have communicated. We have informed the customer. Till then, I will try.
My lord, I please your lordship.
Yes,
I'm-
file your affidavit.
No, here still not written during pendency of the cases. Petitioner filed a conciliation for conciliation for the headquarters. And I could not get that copy by instruction. I have got it. But it is, I think petitioner is also not taking the second day only. That is, I may be allowed, then I may be filing a
Binan
petition.
appears to petitioner on
For it.
receive or understanding from the NHAI.
For 2
However, submit that there has some development which you would like place on record.
Yeah.
Prepare. Please, up to you.
Fine. Obliged.
May I please, Lord.
Just a
Yes, may I please, Lord. My Lord, petitioner's father, my Lord, expired in the Assam movement in the year 1983, my Lord. A petitioner is the legal heir of that property of the father, my Lord. That property, my Lord, 3 bigger 2 katha 2 letters occupied by one Bhakson soil conservation range under Hamren soil conservation and other 18 bigger 3 katha 18 letters occupied by the private respondent. As such, my Lord, the petitioner filed the representation before the DC as well as the Chief Secretary that either you vacate the land nor make the payment of the compensation. But that representation till date not disposed of. And in the meantime, my Lord,
was the
annexed,
land acquired?
my Lord,
Was the land acquired?
my Lord,
Acquired by whom?
from the Bhakson soil conservation as well from the private respondent. That is why spot verification was done.
No, was it
Annexure-
acquired or was it occupied?
My Lord,
Was
annexure,
there any acquisition procedure?
my Lord, kindly see page annexure 7, page 23, my Lord.
3.
One spot verification is there, man. So my legal here property they were occupied, man. So and there is one concernment that the Bhakson soil conservation either give one appointment nor give the compensation of the land, but that was not. That is what going to file this instance.
Lordship, I am representing respondent number 1, my lord. I have received instruction, my lord. And more than that, my lord, this writ petition is not maintainable, my lord. He is to approach before the appropriate forum, my lord. And the private respondent, my lord, appear, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Ahmed, you are appealing for?
My lord, I am for the respondent number 8, 7, 8, and 9, lord. My lord, kindly see the prayer, lord. There is, my lord, there is the civil dispute, my lord, there for a decree, lord, for eviction, my lord. My lord, the statements also made by my lord, this is absolutely, my lord, civil dispute, my lord. Whether this is maintainable in this honorable court or she must read to it or not.
My lord,
So Ahmed appears to be right.
my lord, this is
You may
my
have a cause of action, but whether that cause of action is first maintainable under the law, taking into account the law of limitation, number one. And secondly, the totally a civil dispute, out and out a civil dispute. You are seeking for a declaration of right and interest and recovery of past position to be very clear
my lord, as being the
and straight.
my lord, as
You
being
are
the
asking for recovery of past position.
my lord, as being the citizen of India, my lord. I have the fundamental right of Article 421. My lord, it is civil that my property as well my life should be protected. If I visit here, then they threaten me to kill my life. What that is why I filed the representative before the DC.
Where is the declaration of your title?
My lord, this is Annexure 1 series, my lord. That's my legal. I am the.
So you want to obligate the civil laws, the civil court. Everyone will come to the court for 21 violations, even for recovery of past position of your property. Isn't it a private dispute?
No, my lord, this property is, they were occupied and I have given the representation before the
Representation
DC.
is the deputy
My lord,
commissioner the authority to adjudicate your right.
My lord, DC as well as the circle officer, the administrative
Can they adjudicate your right or title?
Yes,
Can they direct recovery of past position?
my lord, one forcefully occupy my land, then I am deprived, I am returning.
You are not required to go to the civil court.
By the my lord, if he went to the civil court, my lord, he will be penalized, my lord. He is the legal heir property. That father illegal heir property, he is entitled to get the protection from the government, from the.
We have wasted the time of the court. We will pay cost now. Third,
my lord, at least representation may dispose of, my lord, with the direction to relief to the petitioner.
Also, conservation.
Yes, fine. Respondent number 1.
Respondent number 1. Whereas Ahmed for
Respondent 7, 8, and 9.
MH for 7, 8. Consider the subject matter and issue raised among the restriction is taken up disposal at the actual stage. The petitioner claims absolute ownership of a plot of land measuring 23 because to let under Revenue Village, Kilapatta, NC, Musa, Guaramla, under the Donka Revenue Circle in Donkamokam in the district of West Karbi Anglong. The state plot of land is said to be covered by tag numbers 84, 88, 10, 10 of Kiraz Didikatta for 7 foot. The petitioner claims to have inherited state plot of land from his father, who had passed away in the year 1983.
My lord.
The case of the petition that the land that out of the aforesaid land, a plot measuring 3 cut inlet is covered by the private respondent, and 2 cut 2 less has been occupied. By Hoktong soil conservation under the umbrella soil conservation fund. And this And in this regard, the petition submitted a representation 35,000. The petitioner claims that there was a verification the year 2008 and a further representation was filed on 18/5. The Islam Learned Council for the petition has submitted that the rights of the petition under Article 21 have been violated and therefore appropriate orders be passed for pass directly to the authority to hand over possession of the land of the court. Pay due compensation. Sarah. I'm a to the Understanding Council for Department as well as the Ahmed Council for the Private Respondent. However, raised the question of maintenance of this. It is submitted that the dispute raised is essentially of civil nature and the relief claim is of declaration of right title and recovery of tax. The tribal submissions have been duly considered. The prayer made in British reads as follows. The aforesaid prayer read with merit, read with text, read it is essentially put may raise may be constituted as a dispute which is essentially civil in nature, where it for all practical purposes the relief pertains that of a declaration of right title and recovery of tax. The aspect that the right, if any, has acted in the year 1960 would also be a relevant factor. The submission of the petition that is right under Article 21 has been valid, though may be a relevant factor, would not rest upon this jurisdiction to enter into questions of fact which are disputed and also considered possibility and also private side disputed where the question of adducing evidence to establish the respective rights of the party would arise. State petition appears clear and reviews of the process of the state in view of the
Develop.
May kindly be passed out for the time being, my lord. As I start totally in the midst of the case, my lord, in court number 9.
We will have a day after tomorrow. What is the matter about? Mr. Devnath?
Regarding eligibility for this one, my lord. As a beneficiary under the Pradhan Mantri Awas.
We'll have it day after tomorrow. On a prayer made on behalf of MSR to the Senate Council.
May please, your lordship. My lord, the petitioner is a registered lordship tea company. And in the year 1955, lordship, the petitioner company purchased
yes, instructions.
Lordship, we are not served with the extra copy. Therefore, we could not communicate.
Lordship, extra copies. Okay, lordship, I will
have a very petty issue. Reserve copies that the take instruction. It appears that extra copies of the have not served. The Senate Council for the petition undertake to serve extra by today itself.
Today.
To complete this case after 4 weeks to enable operating of instruction.
Of like.
Case 33. Here we have.
May I please, your lord?
Yes, who's there?
Revenue Department, my lord. My lord, my prayer is very limited, my lord. Under the Public Service Premises Act, my lord, under the
2012.
My lord, I am seeking for a order of demarcation, certificate of demarcation. They have not, my lord, till date. They have not.
Has that been adjudicated under the 12
No,
Act?
my lord.
Filed an application.
No, my lord.
We direct
Yes,
within the time being will say.
No, my lord, we have filed an application also. Pursuant to the order dated, my lord, 18/1/23. In this petition, my lord, there is an order. And responding to the same, my lord, we have made available the order along with all the particulars by way of a representation dated 8/2/2023, my lord. But my lord, unfortunately, no, it has not been proceeded thereafter, my lord.
Then he has gone 1 phase ahead.
My lord.
He has already followed the 2012 and the procedures. Yes, madam. Mr. Borua. Madam Borua.
Instruction.
He has already filed.
I have filed.
You have not acted upon.
Disposed of, my lord, by directing them to follow the rules.
All our orders of the earlier nature will be
Mal.
rendered odious if you are not doing your subsequent action. You take instructions next Monday.
Yes.
What is the action taken?
Mal.
Instructions are awaited. We are however, that it is in terms of an earlier order.
16/1/23.
Passed by that approved designated authority.
Yes, my lord.
For demarcation of land. And if there are no orders have been passed. This on next one. To enable the landed council for the response to obtain necessary. Next Wednesday.
Holiday.
Next Wednesday.
Yes, my lord. Next Wednesday.
Take instructions, get immediate. Instructions, yes.
Miss S. Das had entered appearance on behalf of the bank, but on the last date also she had not appeared.
As does.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship is representing respondent number 1 and 2 in this matter. The respondent were awaiting instructions from the respondent bank. Your lordship, we would like to file our replies to affidavit in opposition. Therefore, we need 4 weeks time for the same.
What is the matter?
My lord, an auction was held by the respondent bank with regard to a plot of land. After the auction was held, the possession could not be taken by the respondent bank. Prior to that also it could not be taken. And as such, the bank is
After
not...
the auction, why is the respondent bank will take possession? It be handed over to the third party.
My lord, the bank is supposed to hand it over to us, but
You are the buyer.
yes, my lord,
Okay.
I
Bank
am
did
the
not hand
buyer.
over possession
The
to you.
bank has not handed over the possession to us till date, and the auction was held in the year,
Now,
my
what is
lord.
the status of the land?
My lord, the status of the land is what has happened is after the original owner, Mr. Nabakumar Das, after auctioning, after mortgaging the property with the bank, had entered into an agreement to sell with a third party. And now this third party has filed a civil suit before the learned trial court, because of which the bank could not take over the possession of the land. And
There is an injunction.
yes, my lord, there is an injunction. Because of the injunction, the DC and the bank officials, they all went to take over the possession of the land, but they could not due to the injunction. Until date, the property has not been handed over to us. Initially, my lord, a money suit was filed by the petitioner before the learned court of civil judge number 1.
You will be satisfied if the money is also cut.
Yes, my lord, because a similar matter has already been disposed of by this honorable
Yes.
court, whereby
Mr. Agarwal, one thing. If a parallel process is civil court.
no,
we
my
cannot-
lord, we have withdrawn that
No. By the
between them. That is between Dimbeshwar Kalita and Nabakumar Das. The bank-
whoever,
we are not
if
there.
there is an order of injunction which is in operation, we cannot embark upon that unless it comes to us in a judicial
Lord,
fact.
we don't want the land, my lord. At
You
this
want,
stage, it's too long a period, my lord.
What's the amount involved?
My lord, 55 lakhs.
Madam, fighter, but more than if it's nothing for, if you're disputing on facts, matter would be different. If the facts are not disputed, you have to take some measures.
Because, my lord, the auction was held in 2014. It's already 10 years.
Third, MSP Agarwal, London Council. What's your name, madam?
Miss H. Das,
H. Who is the senior?
Miss Suman Das, as Das.
Ms. H. Das, London Council, appearing in front of MS S. Das, respondent bank. Submit that instructions are awaited and sometime we grant for Sarah. On the other hand, Ms. Agarwal, the London Council, does not oppose the prayer for a in but has submitted that the auction date was of year 2013,
2014.
2014, and till now, neither the property in question has been handed over to the petitioner who was
Successful bidder.
And nor the amount in question has been refunded them. Learned Council submit that the petitioner should pay if the amount involved is handed over to them, handed back to them in accordance with law.
Along with interest.
Along with
my lord.
interest. That is why I said along with interest. This case when tell us
Maybe give.
last when we'll have it on 8th of December.
My lord, if it could be on 6th or 7th instead of 8th.
And 11th of
11th.
Your Lordship, may we please get 4 weeks of time to file the affidavit?
11th of December, today is 28, enough time you're having. More than 3 weeks. 11th.
Highly obliged.
May I? Lord, this is relating to payment.
Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Standing Council of 4% Department, Mr. Viras Square. Lordship, as per I have got the instruction from my senior regarding the disbursement of amount. We'll get the instruction within 2 weeks. Lordship. So
Finances already sanctioned. Up to them to prepare the final bill and
If on principle not oppose the then
no, proposal was submitted to us. We have sanctioned. Whatever be the amount, ultimately some.
Fix it on next week, my lord. I think next. In the meantime, my lord. Payment
court
will
has
be
been
made.
informed that there is some word disbursed of sanctioned by the bank. List of the
Oh, next time.
Yes, madam, instruct.
Wait, your lordship.
First is the that if that yes, overall that it comes as a yeah, but it must but if I to obstruct that is of the food by effect be reflect me that
Wait, your lordship. Lordship, in this case, the petitioner's bank account were freezed, lordship.
bank account freeze. Yes,
Yes.
instruct is.
Instruction received, lordship.
Did you
In
follow
that
the
regard-
mandate this year?
Yes, according to our instruction, he was found in some illegal activity.
We are not on the fact. Did you follow the mandate procedure?
Yes, lordship.
What
Under section 91 CRPC,
what did you do?
request
What
requesting
is
the
91 there? Ninety-one is connected with this or freezing? Madam? Consult the law before you make it sub. File your affidavit. When was it freezed?
Lordship, long back, lordship. As per letter dated 11/5.
11/5. File this on October. MSS Gurwal and State Council. Submit that instructions have been based upon which an affidavit would be filed. Put up that list of the 3 weeks file such affidavit. This matter, but seizure of a bank, not seizure, of a freezing of a bank account, the representative and an endeavor made to dispose of it on filing of affidavit. Madam, have you seen the order?
Yes, but our name is not shown. Just today we got a
No, but this was passed in presence of the State
earlier
Council.
common advocate will appear.
But have you seen the order? His personal affairs was
Yes, but not aware about that. We are for social justice and we are not aware that's why we can't.
and this written is otherwise pending since 2022.
But I directed the petitioner to serve as copy or
Heard your JU Ahmed.
What I say Riaz on behalf of JUM.
S.A. Riaz.
On behalf of
Direct counsel for the petition. For Sarah. This court has on 17/10/2020 when this matter was taken up. This court had directed listing of the matter today on the request of the State Council, Sri Jehan, so as to enable the respondent to file the affidavit. And it was further stipulated that in case such affidavit is not filed, the director would have remained personally present. Court of Para. This court has been informed that no such affidavit has been filed. No. This, when this matter was taken up initially, this court has been informed that no such affidavit has been filed. On noticing that the names of pending counsel of the department has not been reflected, this court had sought the presence of the pending counsel of the department name. What is the present name?
Social Justice and Empowerment Department.
Social Justice and Empowerment Department. Subsequent, MS Gogoi. Diego. When a standing counsel of department has appeared and has submitted that the department is not aware of the order, as in the meantime, as on the next date, as on the last date, the department was represented by the state council and not by standing council. He accordingly submits that under those circumstances, the order for person affairs may be reconsidered and a reasonable time may be granted to file the affidavit of full compliance. The prayer made by standing counsel appears to be reasonable. At the same time, this court has noticed that the writ petition is of the year 2022. Under those facts, a last opportunity, a final opportunity is granted to the department to file, to obtain, to place, to file the affidavit of opposition. Fixed matter on on 11th of December. The Senate Council for the may accord and is according to directive to furnish an extra copy of the writ petition to Ms. Kuchin and Standing Council during the course of names of Standing Council may be reflected. The court also do not get the order to some of
May I please, Your Honor? Sir, the matter pertains to
Miller. Yes, information.
Instruction awaited.
Instruction. Yes, Revenue Department. Both. MS. As for here. Sending. 3 for 3 for type of.
Oblige.
Oblige.
May I please, Your Lord? First, this is a matter related pertaining to wildlife. The petitioner's brother was killed when while in
Written to the department, but we are still awaiting. What time maybe?
Ampolita.
Yes, Your Lord.
Any date?
Elephant killing.
Yes, ma'am. Under any date, ma'am.
Let them find.
Highly obliged.
Oblige, Your Lord.
Sarika, what is it?
May I please, Your Lordship? I'm sorry, my lord, I couldn't appear physically.
It doesn't matter, yes. But
My lord, Your Lordship will notice the last order where the issue that we have raised in this petition is actually noticed at para 2 and para 3 of the last order, Your Lordship.
just What's the report, madam?
Report.
Now, what is the recourse now? You said that you could not locate the
Yes.
authentic revenue map of the Durga
sometime-
Harbour revenue village. So what is the next course of it?
Next, within 3 months, they can, they have, take action, they will take.
3 months is a too long a time. You would take early
Yes,
action.
they told, that to communicate.
There is some instructions where they have said that the original authentic revenue map of Durga Harbour revenue village could not be traced out, not available. So they are not in a position to do anything. But that will not be the end of the matter. It has to be sorted out. London Government Council will grant some time to come up the recourse which they are now.
My lord, the land we had purchased way back in 2007, 2008, my lord. Then, of course, it was not, the mutation could not be carried out because of the pendency of a writ petition, where the retainable areas of Ma Kamakhya Devatar
But
was
is there any position now?
I'm in
Your
possession. I'm in possession, but the difficulty is I'm not able to make any use of the property. I
No,
cannot.
we'll grant some
I can neither develop nor avail a loan.
written instructions have been placed on record by Mrs. Durga. As per the mutation not done because of non-availability of authentic map of Durga Harbour village. But at the end of the either have that sometimes to come up with the measures taken for by which the bus can remediate. List on. We give a date. Tell us the date of your convention.
My lord, may I request for 6th of December, if convenient to the court, my lord?
Let it be on 11th of December. 11th.
Obliged, my lord. Obliged.
You take instructions.
Deeply obliged. My lord.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, as per instructions, affidavit, whatever we have to file will be submitted verbally, Lordship. Lordship may kindly fix a date for here.
1 and 2 has filed affidavit.
Lordship, no, Lordship will be submitting verbally.
No, affidavit 1 and 2 has filed affidavit. You're not being served with copy?
No, Lord.
Their affidavit is of 2013. You're not aware?
Sir, no, not aware, Lordship. Actually, I'm appearing on behalf of Ms. N. Upadhyay.
Doesn't matter.
Lordship, what last occasion we had to file our affidavit.
Your affidavit is not required.
Not, we'll be filing it verbally, submitting verbally.
And this is the GMDA. GMDA name? No. Who's their GMDA? They have sending counsel, Mr. Nayak, I think. You will be appealing. You're Mr. Nayak, aren't you? Can you appear or not? Take note of this matter. We fix the whole matter. 2012 matter. What's your name?
Zaid Islam.
Yet Islam Learned Council for the petition submit that no rejoinder effort required to be filed, and the matter can be taken up for final and for present for GM. Considering this for admission here on 12 matter. Yes, immediately. Thursday next. Thursday. Madam.
Yes, Your Lordship, on 38th, 38th,
Yes.
Thursday is 38th.
This Thursday.
On 7th,
Phase 1.
phase 20.
11 and 23rd.
Wait.
Physically on 23rd.
Lordship,
No, you have filed your affidavit. You just need to prepare this case.
Yes.
If you say we can take on the next call, take that after, but on 28th to 8,
28.
to 8.
Obliged.
28.
May please, Your Lord. My Lord, order of the Lawazima Court may kindly be sent 14/9/2012. I have taken steps upon the respondent number 5 for trial. Lastly, notice has gone routed by the Munshi Court, but it has been shown that addressee have left.
With 5.
5 is private personal matter. He lost a complaint. Stated to be the president of Bhumi Adhikar Sangram Committee.
Can you serve the state?
Well, his location could not be traced out.
Non president, whoever is there.
And now the office is not available in that place.
Then you have to go for paper publication. That is the only remedy left. Otherwise, you cannot do. But paper publication, as you know, is a costly affair. Have you take instructions from your client regarding paper publication?
No.
Take instructions will pass necessary orders for paper publication.
Oh,
but are you in touch with your clients?
My lord.
Are you in touch with your clients? We'll
No, my lord.
This matter on Wednesday or Friday, 15 minutes.
No, my lord, 2 weeks may kindly be required. That's because
there is a telephonic call.
His earlier number was deactivated. That is the problem.
Order dated 14/9 has been produced, as per which the respondent number 5 has not been able to serve. Please take care this for some time to obtain on issue of paper concept letter short time on 4th of
kindly make it 30 if it is open.
3rd December is Sunday.
11 of 6 then 6th of
September.
Lordship, I make a ST repeat name will be reflected in the copies. Also, a
ST
copy may be served to me.
reflected in the concept and the direct concept of the petition directed to an extra copy of the to MS and board by
Like here, Lordship has directed the ADC Kamrup to verify the documents and share, as regard the land acquisition compensation, my lord, and to give the amount, release the amount. But out of all the petitioners, only in respect of one petitioner, because of some mismatch in the land record, it could not be released, and they have been directed to produce the land record. That remains. Otherwise, in respect of others, there are 13 petitioners, my lord. Others have been sent. Petitioner
None appears for the petitioner on call. Within a council for respondent has, however, submitted that accept the petition number 1, comma.
Petition number 3.
Accept the petition number 3, comma. The claim rest of the petition have been settled.
In respect of 4 and 5, my lord, they have been directed to go to the civil because there is
settled, and as far as 4 and 5 have also been direct to approach civil court. So far as the response for 3 is concerned, submit that due to lack of proper documents, comma, the claim could not be settled, for which the state petition has given opportunity to produce documents. In view of the above statements, the matter says the judge will set to update
up to it. Well, the respondent number 1, he is no longer there. In fact, the new incumbent, they would have
has the post of
the ADC land acquisition plan.
ADC land acquisition plan.
What we have petitioner is the Bangladeshi national lordship. He was convicted under section 14(1)(a) of Foreigners Tribunal Act 1946 for a period of 2 years, and he served the 2 years, but still now he is not reported to his.
Yes, you have filed affidavit.
Yes, sir. That may be taken with along with item number 55, supplement.
Today.
Yes, but similar.
Supplement.
Yes, the subject matter is similar.
Yes.
Yes, whenever you say today, you are the same council.
Yes, sir. But tomorrow later. Yeah.
Not tomorrow, then Thursday.
Yes.
Thursday?
Yes.
For disposal?
Yes.
Disposal by the state government, but the instruction is
Yes, state government instruction.
order is there in item number 55.
Friends, the last one.
Last order.
Your instructions are awaited. No pleadings have been exchanged. No, it is submitted that you write in item 45. So it has been submitted that this item is that it is submitted subject matter of fact is similar to WPC, similar to those of WPC 6983 of 2022, which is listed today as item number 55. Though pleadings have been exchanged in this case, comma, such pleadings have not been exchanged in WPC 6983 of 2022.
I have one submission.
We'll get to some time. We have this
Already, in fact, the procedure is that based on the government notification, once a prisoner is absolved from the term period, the sentence period is over, that deportation process has to start, and for that matter, the Ministry of External Affairs has to be communicated by the state government. So, in this respect, as per our instruction on 18/11/2023, communication has been sent across the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of Assam. So, I think my senior
Government of India.
Council,
Government of India.
central government,
yes.
yes, government of India. So they will be able to answer whether, based on that communication, what action has been taken.
Lordship,
Three, as per our letter state council, however, submit that as per instructions, comma, after completion of the term of a foreign national who has been convicted, comma, the matter of deportation is referred to Ministry of External Affairs, comma, Government of India, which in this case has been done on
18/11/2023.
18/11/2020.
yes. In
Yeah.
item number 55, last order. Yes.
Let MS Gayan that update necessary instructions and let these matters be listed for consideration when
I thought that because they are languishing jail.
there is 28. We'll have it on. Can we have it on 5th of December? Tuesday? We'll try for disposal.
Yes.
Seven?
8,
Not 11, not Monday. We'll have it on that. We can have it on 30th of November.
yes, sir.
30 November.
30.
30
Yes.
November.
No.
Thursday.
Yes. I'm out.
May it be the Lordship. My Lord, on 4th of October 2023, my Lord, this court gave us the liberty to take a alternative and substitute method of, my Lord, service on the respondent number 2, my Lord. So we have taken the substituted method by making a newspaper publication and an affidavit was
We have
filed.
appeared for respondent number 2.
No,
Anyone has appeared?
Nobody.
no, Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 5.
5. Who is 5?
ADC, Lordship. ADC.
Assam Industrial Development Corporation is being represented by my friend.
Okay. And
Hindustan Paper Mill, that is Naga Paper Mill, was to be, my Lord, taken the substituted method we have taken by publishing in the newspaper. Yes.
but that is under the liquidator.
My Lord.
It is not under the liquidator.
No, my Lord. My Lord, the paper mill has been taken over by AIDC. So therefore, we have made government and AIDC a party, which your Lordship has correctly pointed out. So this mill is no longer there. So it has gone under liquidation. And as because, my Lord, we have outstanding claims against the mill as well as, my Lord, the government. So we have made him a party, my Lord. The issue is very simple, my Lord. It pertains to, my Lord, the admitted contractual use of the employers, no, my Lord, the contractors who were, my Lord, affidavit was filed on 19th of October 2023, my Lord. Yes, ma'am.
Pursuant to the order can be application as which paper?
In one Offamia protein, my Lord, which would my Lord would find it at
in two local newspapers, namely Offamia
and another in Sentinel.
And the Sentinel both dated same date.
No, my Lord.
Offamia protein dated.
Yes, my Lord. I'll just pinpoint the date, my Lord. On Offamia protein on 16th of October 2023.
16th and 2023 and Sentinel dated.
Sentinel also 17th of October 2023.
17th and 2020. Which have also been placed on record by way of an affidavit filed on 19th and 20th. Service is held this case for admission hearing on
any date convenient to my Lord.
13th of September 2020.
I'm deeply obliged.
Have you filed your affidavit?
No, Lord. The council, they haven't filed that.
In the meantime, the respondent may file affidavit.
I'm highly obliged.
Well, it's a review petition. I think, my lord, the proper rule was not placed before this.
Well, my senior is on lake, my lord.
Well, Lordship will kindly see page 83 is the judgment.
Page
83.
83.
Yes. Relevant portion is at page, that is the relevant portion, 83. Starts from page 79. Secretary of the committee, Your Lordship says he was not elected by the general body. So therefore, his appointment by the SP has been set aside. Paragraph 9, my lord, may I just read that?
This senior is not.
Yes.
Is it there in the court?
Yes, my lord.
So,
But it's not there right now.
Have it on day after tomorrow? With us? Day after tomorrow. What is the issue trying to raise?
he was appointed.
No,
as
no,
the
we know
sec-
the fact.
he was appointed as the secretary of the village defense company.
We fact we know. What are the grounds of?
Only ground, my lord, the rule is there. The rule is for nomination. The rule is for nomination, not for election. Election is for the president and other members. But for the purpose of secretary, it has to be nominated by the village defense officer. That rule, if I have annexed the rule. This was not brought to your lordship notice.
Page
85, exactly at 86, my lord. My lord, it is in small writing. My lord, last sentence, your lordship, 86, rule 5. The member of the primary committee shall be, after about 4 lines, the member of the primary committee shall select the president by majority opinion, and the secretary of the committee will be nominated by the district village defense officer. So the nomination is at the hands of the, for whatever reason, he nominates. Election is in respect of the president. This is
And this post was not for
not brought to your lordship.
Not this fact that this post was not for
No, this is for secretary. For secretary.
So nomination, the question of election will not be relevant. The question of nomination.
Yes, this was not
by
brought
the
to your lordship notice.
district village defense
Officer. He is a SP man. This was not brought to your lordship notice. Even the whole rule, my lord, it is not brought to your lordship notice. All other things are mentioned in the petition.
The hard to visit the account for applicant who has review of and ordered it of a judgment and ordered it 12 10 that's the relevant rule holding
Some village
not based on record. How a prayer for a on the considered of the party on the ground. It's not not able. Please on witness
yes.
Obliged.
Obliged.
As per order of the Honorable Court dated 9th of October, the sole contender is to expected to file the affidavit, but it has not been done till then.
Has anyone appeared?
Yes, Pratip, some time may be granted. We have misplaced the file.
What is the direction about?
Lordship, it is the payment of interest on the land acquisition compensation.
Some time may be granted.
On the prayer of Chairman of Council, this matter is adjourned by 3 weeks enable to file the affidavit.
Obliged.
And
Date may
take you inform the court regarding step taken for file. These are matters where you have not filed any.
Lordship, a date may kindly be fixed.
What time?
Obliged.
The Loajima order, my lord, 25/8, 23 may be seen, my lord. The service may be accepted, and my lord, better we pick for that. No, my lord,
I'm for the
Tea Garden. Tea Garden, my lord, no,
Yes.
company, that company, my lord. Who, my lord, the restaurant for the Madaka Tea Company, my lord. Madaka Tea Company, private limited.
I'm for the Provident Fund Office, 1, 2, and 3.
120, they are appearing.
Yes, sir. Who has brought the order? Pass it. Where is the number? Four. This phone number?
120.
120.
120. Raise for 3 weeks time to file a bill. The phone number 4 may also file a bill in the minute.
May I please, the lord. The contempt proceeding, my lord. Direction is at page 14, my lord.
1-4.
1-4, my lord.
Yes, but
Down below, start from, my lord.
Yes.
Page 14, my down below, it starts from having regard to the facts and circumstances of the cases in its entirety. It is hereby ordered that petitioner company shall furnish the proof of latest address of the corporate office at Kolaghat as well as the local admin office at the Guwahati is necessary sending electric version of the relevant documents of the true email. Upon receipt of such documents, the respondent bank shall activate the accounts of the petitioner company within 24 hours thereafter. It is made clear that the bank is not satisfied with the documentary evidence furnished by the petitioner company as address proof. The same shall be brought to the notice of the court by filing proper pleadings, but shall not be ground for the bank to continue with the freezing account. So after this order, my lord, we have submitted the relevant documents as the address proof. Now they are again freezing the accounts, my lord. It's time to time they are doing, my lord. It's regarding, my lord, they are freezing because of non-updation of the KYC, my KYC updating. Respondent bank. Accordingly, we have submitted our
as the record.
My lord.
Talk for the petition who by means of as well as non-compliance of the order 39 it passed by the court in the 504 of it. It is submitted that person direction asked state order, comma, petitioner had heard his obligation by giving all the details to the bank and even thereafter no action is taken for defreezing the account out of
Well, they have defreezed, but again they have freezed the account.
But no the bank has again frozen the account of the but that may be for other reasons that
no, my
notice
lord.
be issued. Five, four. That's them.
I'm obliged.
In this case, a notice was issued on item 5123. This transmitted from Itanagar Bank, and we have taken steps on 16/9/23. It is the office note dated 16/9/23.
Yes.
We have
It's
taken
a
steps response 3 and 4.
Chaudhary or for who?
Affidavit filed to India.
No, Lordship, primarily against the NH.
NHP served or not?
Not yet served. It's just taken on 16/9.
9. They have, I think they have their count.
Yes, Mr. P.K. Tiwari is FPRA. Thank you.
But these matters are being transferred there.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Double check that transferred all the matters.
To this
Yes.
principal bench.
It is. Administrative order date 23/5/20.
So with they say service awaited.
Yes.
Service report. In the meantime, you can contact the junior department.
Yes.
Because connected matters are there.
Yes.
In the office note 9 as per which notices have been issued to the responsible on 16/9 await service on the responsible the architect was
And for what?
done it. So, it's for the responsible whereas each center government council
When
in all the
Only in item 52, the office note, it is on 15/9, not 16.
not
Item 50.
so don't in all the items office note is there.
Yes. Obviously.
And in the meantime, you unofficially you serve.
Yes, yes.
My lord, he may give me an extra. He has given me a copy. I have.
Have you seen the size?
That is why. That is.
Is that the thing?
Yes. Yes.
May I please know? So in this matter, affidavit has been filed by respondent 2 and 3. 4, 5, 6 has not filed affidavit. In this matter, affidavit is required from
Who is
respondent
4, 5, and 6?
4, 5,
The Rota for whom?
I am for IWI and
4, 5, and 6.
no 2 and 3.
You have filed affidavit?
Yes.
4, 5, and 6. Whereas as per numbers 2 and 3 have filed the affidavit of opposition, the rest of the respondents are yet to file the affidavit. Yes, we'll record both. You are also filing, Mr. Barwa? Both. Three as Guru or other state council as well as then board Senate council part of the revenue department are run 3 weeks time to operate less file affidavit. Is to advise. This case, what is the matter about?
It's related to the they have done certain debris during the Barak Nawari tracing. Obliged.
Actually, no, no. Taking no. Dredging was at the instance of the government. Well, it was a Namami Barak project that was done in 2017. IWAI being the nodal agency, the government made a disclosure request, and based on which we sourced it out, the work. Dredging was done, and they say now that the debris were dumped on their land. We are in the, I mean, unless and other than giving the contract to the contractor, we were no involved in the matter. So matter is
Now
actually
they are agreed by the fact that debris are being dumped in on their land.
on their land, and therefore they say that they have suffered some loss of crops and all, and they seek compensation. Now, if at all compensation is to be awarded in the matter, it requires determination of many factual aspects.
Whether it could can achieve.
Yes, that is my basic-
Three, Doctor, the London comes for this purpose
2 and 3.
However, has been on the by factual research for which which should produce even is prime that aspect.
Now, can a date be fixed, my lord?
3 weeks they have said.
Public.
But I think your role is there.
There will-
Revenue and state. Revenue role is there. How you're trying to resolve this, even if you not intervene or any other code does not intervene, you can resolve if actually they are correct.
Published.